Yeah, it's finally hike day. It's not really a major hike. It's like an hour and a half hike to Erawan Falls. But the trip there is gonna be like it's gonna be long. We're gonna drive around for like 3 hours to get to a museum. It's like a war museum, so we're gonna check that out. We're checking it out. We're gonna go through a river and then spend some time there, and then we're finally gonna go to the Erawan Falls, which we plan to go to, and then we're gonna just check out the falls and maybe take a dip or swim over there. But overall, yeah, it's gonna be exciting. But I haven't had any sleep yet. Just the usual hike day. We don't usually sleep the day before the hike because we used to like go 1 a.m. and then hike throughout the day. But yeah, I'm really excited to see the waterfalls and everything it has to offer, like connect with nature and stuff. But yeah, I think we're good to go. So we're just gonna see you there.
First, we will visit the River Kwai Museum. Okay, welcome.
So it's actually pretty horrifying and traumatizing because there's a lot of death involved. But yeah, it's really good to learn about history because you can appreciate what you're like the life you have now. So that's pretty cool, I guess.
This side. British, Scotland, New Zealand, Wales, and Canada. This side.
Yeah, so we just took a quick break because they were gonna get some halal food for one of our participants of the tour. We were told we could just check out this entire marketplace, which is pretty cool because there's a bunch of stuff you can buy. If you want souvenirs or like food, you can get some here. Saan mo makukuha yung ano, orange life vest? So yeah, I thought it was gonna be like concrete, like a concrete hike. I was worried my hiking shoes won't be the best shoes for this, but there's actually a Mong Lai Dry Evergreen Forest Nature Trail which we can follow to get to where we want to go. So I guess we're gonna just do that. But there are some rules and regulations. We can't gather flora, we can't be loud, and we can't litter, just the basic stuff. But yeah, I guess we're gonna go here, see where this goes. Let's go. This is so exciting. I thought it was gonna be like pure concrete, but this is fun. This is so fun. The trail is actually pretty easy compared to the ones we've been through before, like the Mount Batulao or Mount Sembrano or the Tiger's Nest. Yeah, we're just gonna take a quick picture over here. Like the other parks we've been to, there's some information about the plants. So you can just scan it and get some information if you're into botany and stuff. It's really nice to have. It's not really that hard. This is the real beginner's trail, unlike the ones in the Philippines where it's like super hard. The waterfalls is really nice. Can't wait to take a dip. Wow. Oh, looks like this is the end of that. That was quick. Back to cement. Oh, so that was just level 1. We're gonna quickly head over to level 2 right now. Let's go. That was level 2. We're gonna speed run this to level 3. Let's go. So we saw waterfall number 3, and it was really nice. And if you're not really a hiker, you can just chill there and just swim, take a dip, enjoy the beauty. But that's just not what we do. We're hikers. We need to see the peak. I'm really tired, but I'm glad I used this hiking shoes. Yeah, it really helped here because it's really muddy. So we made it to level 6. Really tired, but it's not really that far. But we're trying to make it to the cutoff deadline of 3 p.m. So we're just gonna take some pictures and videos over here, and then we'll head over to level 7 real quick. We're almost there. Level 7. Let's go. Made it. Yeah, we made it. This is the 7th waterfall, the topmost waterfall, and it says like you're the conqueror. You conquered this journey, and it was really fun. We just had to rush because we wanted to beat the closing time. So I guess we're just gonna sit here, relax, and enjoy. Maybe take a dip, and then we'll maybe end the video there.